Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showcasing some shoe materials, shoe leathers mainly used in Nigeria for making shoes. The materials, firstly we have suede leather. This is one of the most common leather in Nigeria. It's available in different colors. It has its own advantage and disadvantage. So also we have the glittery leathers, glittery or sequence leather. This also is available in different colors depending on your choice on what you want, and it also has its own way of maintaining it. And we also have what we call velvet. These velvet materials are also it has its own way of maintaining it. You can't add water, you can only dust it and you are good to go. It has its own way of maintaining though. And we also have animal skin leather. Animal skin leather is divided into different type of leather. We have the cross skin, we have the snake leather, and we have the tiger leather. We also have what we call pattern leather. We also have basket leather, and lastly we have what we call patent or wet loose leather. Some call it patent, some call it wet loose leather. So get familiar with the shoe materials you are using to make shoes. Thank you very much for watching, and please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel as we take you through the process of making shoe.